Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm here to give you an update on ADA. Starting off on ADA here on the daily. As you can see, previous all-time high levels around that $2.46, that sort of area there. As you can see, recently we have seen pretty big progression to the upside, setting new all-time highs for ADA, sat at around $3.09 there. This is my altcoin of the day, and the reasoning for this is, guys, there's potential for a breakout scenario coming through here, and I'm going to get into that very shortly indeed. From that all-time high that we did set, obviously we did see a pretty bloody September coming through there. We did see lower low after lower low getting set, bringing the price all the way down to $1.91 there. From there, we've just seen a bit of an uptrend, nothing too crazy. I mean, we've had high lows being set continuously there. We're still trying to set another one now, but nothing too crazy in terms of bullish momentum. I do think we are lacking a bit here for ADA. Let me jump down to the 4-hourly here just to get a bit of a better gauge on what's happening here. We do have a symmetrical triangle pattern coming through here, guys. As you can see here, we've got a heavy level of heavy point of resistance coming through from this downside, coming through from this side, guys. As you can see, the Viva La resistance does play out quite a lot along this zone. We were looking for some sort of breakout in terms of a measure move for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle. It is going to be something along the lines of this, and this is basically what we're looking for at this point in time, guys. In terms of a price target for this, it is going to be around this $2.47 there. So yeah, it's a huge move to basically be taken advantage of in terms of a long position. As you can see here, guys, the levels of support that we do have on the lower side of the symmetrical triangle is still really quite strong, right? So if we do see any sort of downwards momentum play out here, invalidating this most recent higher low here, then we do have a lovely level of support to bounce off, and that's around that $2.11 there. So yeah, it's very interesting to see how that does plan out there. And that level of support, if that is going to hold, right? The level of support that we are looking for at the moment is going to be this downward sloping support line on the top side of this symmetrical triangle. And as I said, that is going to be around, in terms of a live price for that, it's going to be around $2.19 there. So it's very interesting to see if that does happen. Now, we're below all major moving averages here on the 4-hourly, the midterm. So it's going to be very interesting to see how low this downtrend is going to grow. How low this downtrend is going to go, because we do have a falling wedge pattern as well there, guys. We're using this trend line here and also this trend line here. We've got a lot of resistance to the top side here. Pretty continual, I must say. Pretty rough stuff, but the support is also there. We did lose it a little bit coming through there, but you can see the buyback for ADA still quite there. I must say, I do think ADA is being slept on at the moment. I think we are due some insane price action to the upside coming through, and obviously, guys, we know falling wedge patterns, we know they break to the upside, right? So let's actually have a little look for a little measure move on the smaller scale coming through here. It's going to be something along the lines of this, right? In terms of percentages for this, we could be looking at something around a 2.21% gain there for that small little scalp coming through there. If we're looking for a bigger and better swing there, we could be looking at a bigger move in terms of the measure move from the symmetrical triangle breakout scenario coming through there. It's going to be around a 12.35% gain there, guys. And obviously we know if this is going to happen, it's not going to be like a small amount of time. It's going to be quite quick, because we know how quick ADA will run up. When it does run up, a lot of it is power. There's a lot of FOMO behind ADA as well. As soon as it does start to run, it does run indeed. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for the future there. Obviously, we know the drill, staggering take profits all the way up. As soon as we hit our first take profit, we move our stop loss to our entry point. It's as simple as that, guys. That is going to be your 3.5 minute update on ADA. Yeah, 3.5 minute update on ADA. Hopefully you can do your own research on this breakout scenario. But yeah, it's peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.